In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a potion of healing in Minecraft. So the first thing you need to do is get yourself a piece of melon and a gold ingot and go to a crafting table. Now put your gold ingot in and you'll get 9 gold nuggets. Place these in a circle in your crafting table and then put the melon slice in the middle and you'll get a glistering melon slice. Now go over to your brewing stand and make sure you've got some blaze powder in there, and then you can put your awkward potions in. I'll leave a video in the top right corner to show you how to make an awkward potion. Okay, so we'll put these in and put your melon slice in, and we're going to let that brew. And now we have potion of healing, and you can see it's just instant health, so we get rid of them. So these are great, you can just drink with these. Does the job. But if you want to upgrade them, you put them back in, and you can put a bit of glowstone dust in there, and this will upgrade them to instant health 2. So we'll take this out, as you can see, instant health 2. And yeah. Obviously it's not going to do anything to me now because I've got full health. Thank you for watching the video. If you found it helpful, please like and subscribe.